Hey, good morning folks. We're here in Quartzsite, Arizona at the Escapers Convergent and we're just having a blast, man. It's been a really good event. So the other day I was down in Yuma and I was just happened to be in an RV store. I was looking for something else actually, and I came across these mats and they are so cool. They're different than your average carpet mat you'd get at Camping World or any of the normal stores. Anyway, let me show you a picture of these things. So they are called Grubby Feet mats, and they use a different type of material. It's like a nylon loop, and we have actually bought a rug for the inside that was that same material. I think we got it while we were in Steamboat Springs. The cool thing about them, on the back side, it's like a real durable, I don't know if it's rubber or I guess it's a vinyl, kind of like a vinyl back. They go on with zip ties, and they're meant to stay there. You don't have to take these on and off. So let's go install them. Hey, full disclosure on these mats too. These were not donated to me. I didn't get a discount on them. I bought them myself, and I'll give you an honest review. No pressure. Okay guys, I know this is about as simple as it gets. Zip tie, go through one side of the loop. Go through the other side. Get it kind of loose. Make sure we're kind of in the center there. Make sure the gap is in the center. Rotate them a little bit, I guess. Now the other benefit I like about these is because we have a little tiny dog. He kind of freaks out on these steps sometimes, so I'm hoping this will help him feel a little bit better about jumping up on these big steps. Alright guys, hey, I'll give you a little update on these things after I use them for about 4 or 5 months. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I'll catch you on the road. Thanks a lot.